Okay, what's your name?
Shido.
What's your name? How old are you guys?
There.
4 heads. I'm 4.
Food.
Oh, what's your doll's name?
TV.
Genie. What's your doll's name? Sola? Princess. Do you love your dolls? Mm. We're going out, right? Okay. Let's have fun today, okay? Bye-bye. Kiss. Kiss. Okay, I got this box.
What is this?
The husband just delivered. Do you know what's inside, Sola?
I'm not this.
You don't know?
No.
Shido, do you know what's inside?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know either. Okay, let's open this box, okay?
Okay. It's my birthday box.
Yeah, it's your birthday box. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
What is in the box? What is in the box?
He's gonna open this box.
It's
Wait.
It's
What's
my
inside? What's inside? Okay. Nanya. Coming. Wow! Look at this. Wow.
birthday party.
No, this is birthday gift.
birthday gift.
Do you know who gave you this? 제주도 할머니.
Yeah, 제주도 할머니.
제주도 할머니예요. Do you remember
Yeah.
when we were in Jeju Island?
Yeah.
You guys met 제주 할머니, 제주도 할머니, right?
Yeah.
She gave you the little oranges and the, the doll, the pretty doll, right? She sent these to us.
birthday party gift.
Okay, yeah, yes, Shido, you're right. Birthday gift. Okay. Say, wait, look at mommy. Say thank you to grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
You guys should watch this one. Yeah. Thank you, grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
I love this.
I love this.
Okay. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, look at this little.
Baby.
Yeah,
Baby.
you have one. Like this.
Baby. 엄마 이거 봐봐.
Tickle. Oh my god. Look at these 2 dolls. Oh, they look so pretty. Okay, who wanna have this one? Or who wanna have this one?
Me.
Let me see. I think this fits you well. This is for Sola, and this fits you well. This is for Shido. Okay, you open this box. Wait, let me help. Ugh. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut. Wait, hold on. Okay, you open the box. Wow, it's so pretty. You like it? Okay, so you can name her. Why don't you make a name for her? Oh, like Shido. You know your name is Shido, right? And your name is Sola, right? So she needs her name, her own name, Sola. Why don't you make Shido? Why don't you make her own name? How pretty! Yes, Genie. Okay, so you can call her Genie. Okay, her name is Genie from now on. Princess. You wanna name her Princess?
Yeah.
Okay. Her name is Princess.
Yeah.
And her name is Jeannie.
It's Genie.
Nice to meet you, Jeannie. I wanna shake her hand.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Jeannie. I wanna shake her. Oh, nice to meet you, Princess. They're so lovely. Adorable. Where are you going, Sola? Oh, you're going to the birthday party? Okay.
And I'll stay with you, Mommy.
Oh, what? What did you say?
I'll stay with you.
What?
I'll stay with you.
What does that mean?
I'll stay with you.
You?
Yeah.
What does that mean? I don't understand.
But I'll stay with you.
Ah, oh nice. Jeannie has really such a long hair. Look at this. Her hair is really long.
Whoa, Ginny, yes, really long
Hair.
yeah. Ginny, Mommy,
Hmm?
young.
Long. Oh, her hair is long too. So pretty. I'm so jealous of you guys. I want to have that. Can I have that?
No?
Oh, so like, can I have that? Really?
Yeah.
Are you giving this to me?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you get a baby heart.
Really?
Baby heart. You can't get her baby heart yet.
Really?
Yeah.
But you're gonna regret it. I'm not gonna give you back. So, are you really sure? Are you gonna have it or are you gonna give this to me?
Baby.
You're gonna give this to me?
Yeah, I need a baby heart. No.
Wow.
Baby heart. I can't eat it. Baby and
무슨 말인지 모르겠어. Okay.
Thank
Blanket. Okay. Okay, this baby needs a blanket. Oh, shh. Okay, I need to be quiet. Okay. Don't tickle her, Shido. Don't bother her, please. She's your baby. Jeannie's your baby.
아니야. 애기 나 좋아. 얘네 나 좋아.
Jeannie likes you?
야.
Solaya, have a seat. We're gonna take a photo. You hold it there like a Shido. Sola, have a seat.
뿌이.
We're gonna take a photo and we're gonna send the picture to grandma, okay? 제주도 할머니. No, Solaya, have a seat here. You sit right next to Shido, please.
No.
Please, Sola. Please have a seat right next to Shido.
Okay.
Thank you.
아, 뿌이.
자, Solaya, be closer to Shido.
Okay.
Okay. You sit closer to Shido. Shido야, Sola, I can see your face. Sola, Shido, I can see your face. Show me your face. Yes. Solaya, we're gonna take a photo.
Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Okay.
You hold it. Okay, smile. Look at mommy. I can see the princess face. Show me. Look at mommy. One. Sola, look at mommy.
3.
You have to say cheese, okay? Oh,
Cheese.
look at mommy. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. 아니야, 솔라야. Say cheese. Love you.
I love you.
Love you, grandma.